Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today in our lecture series, we are just going to see about open access to organizational data. In my last lecture series, we have seen in detail about the cybersecurity, overall cybersecurities, and then next we have seen in my next lecture series, we have seen cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Now, in continuity, we are just going to see about the open access to organization data. Open access. Open access is a publishing and distributing model that makes scholarly research literature, much of which is funded by taxpayers around the world, freely available to the public online without restrictions. Harnessing the power of the internet. Open access brings the results of academic research to unprecedented numbers of scientists, university professors, medical researchers, patients, inventors, students, and the general public, democratizing data access to knowledge, accelerating discovery, and fueling innovations. Next, the open access to organizational data in the context of cybersecurity refers to making certain types of cybersecurity related data available to relevant stakeholders such as cybersecurity researchers, analysts, and policymakers in order to improve overall cybersecurity practices and response capabilities. This data could include information about cyber threats, attack patterns, vulnerabilities, and incident reports, among other things. Next, here, how open access to organization data can be beneficial to cybersecurity. Let us see what are all the points. First is threat intelligence sharing. It is organizations can share information about cyber threats they have encountered, including indicators of compromise, that is IOCs, malware samples, and attack significance. Next is vulnerability disclosures. That is, by openly disclosing discovered vulnerabilities in software systems, organizations can facilitate quicker fixes and patches, reducing the overall risk of exploration by malicious actors. Next is incident data sharing. Sharing anonymized incident data such as details of security breaches and their impact can help other organizations learn from past incidents and strengthen their own defenses. Next is collaborative research. Open access to cybersecurity data encourages collaboration between researchers, academics, and industry professionals. Policy development. Access to organizational data can inform the development of cybersecurity policies and regulations at the national and international levels. Public awareness and education means making certain cybersecurity data publicly available can arise awareness about the importance of cybersecurity and educate individuals and organizations about common threats and best practices for staying safely online. In conclusion, open access to organizations' data in cybersecurity, it mainly offers significant benefits for improving overall cyber resilience, fostering collaboration, and advancing knowledge in the field. by sharing relevant cybersecurity data such as threat, intelligence, vulnerability, information, incidents, reports, and research findings. Organizations can collectively strengthen their defenses against cyber threats and respond more efficient to security incidents. These all the open access to organization data in cybersecurities. Thank you.